Adjectives. Let's see the objectives. First, we'll review the words about animals, then identify comparative adjectives, and talk about animals using comparative adjectives. Now let's watch a video first. Watch carefully and answer two questions. Number one, what animals can you see in the video? And two, what animal do you like most and why? Alright, so let's watch the video.
Stomp like elephants. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do. Jump like kangaroos. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Let's go to the zoo and jump like the kangaroos do. Swing like monkeys. Let's go to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do. Let's go to the zoo and swing like the monkeys do. Waddle like penguins. Let's go to the zoo and waddle like the penguins do. Let's go to the zoo and waddle like the penguins do. Slither like snakes. Let's go to the zoo and slither like the snakes do. Let's go to the zoo and slither like the snakes do. Swim like polar bears. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do. Let's go to the zoo and swim like the polar bears do.
Okay, so now I think that you can answer the question, the animals you see in the video, the animal you like most, and how is your favorite animal? Is it big or small, short or long? Okay, now, so today we will explore the animal kingdom and learn how to compare two animals or two things. Let's move to the first activity. Look at the pictures. Complete by using the words in the boxes. 5 minutes for you. Write your answers into your notebook and 1 point for one correct answer. If you finish early, make sentences with the words in the boxes. Okay? Now, so here's the exercise. Now, so let's check. Let's check. Number one, be careful, that snake is dangerous. 2, that dinosaur is Huge. Yeah, it's so big. Number three, that bear is dirty and it has a fish. Four, look at the chameleon in my hand is tiny, it's very small. Number five, the little penguin is very slow. And number six, the duck has soft feathers. Okay? Yeah, I think all of you can do it very easily. Next, let's review comparative form of adjectives. Now, let's look at the sentence and read for me. A cat is a small animal. Okay, so what about the mouse? How can we compare the cat and the mouse? So, we will change the adjective small into comparative smaller. Yeah, comparative adjective smaller. So the sentence should be a mouse is smaller than a cat. Okay? Now, so let's compare the lion and one more animal. The lion is a big animal. What about the elephant? How to compare them? With big. Okay. Now let's change the adjective into bigger. And the sentence should be an elephant is bigger than a lion. All right? Next, let's compare the rabbit and the turtle. We have two sentences to compare. The first with fast and faster. A rabbit is faster than a turtle. What about slow? Slow will change to slower. A turtle is slower than a rabbit. Okay? Very good. Now, so next, let's compare chameleon and crocodile with dangerous. Okay? Which is more dangerous? Yeah, absolutely, it's the crocodile. So you say a crocodile is more dangerous than a chameleon. Is that right? Yes. So one more example for you between a penguin and the dinosaur. Okay, which is more expensive here, $10 or $1? Okay, so a dinosaur is more expensive than a penguin. Now, so we will move to the structure of comparative adjectives. Comparative adjectives is to compare two things or two people, and we add er to a short adjective, and then, for example, tall, taller, taller than. For example, Tom is taller than Jerry. What about a long adjective? With long adjective, we add more and adjective and than. For example, expensive, more expensive than. Audi is more expensive than Ford Focus. Can you see? All right. Now, so let's move to the next activity with comparative adjectives. Look at the table. Write the correct comparative adjectives into your notebook. You have 3 minutes to do this activity. Okay, let's check together. Number one, what is comparative of short? Is shorter. Young, same. Younger. Old, older. But for expensive, is that expensiver? No, because it's the long adjective. So with expensive, we change into more expensive. The same way with difficult, it's more difficult. And quiet, it's more quiet. And if you change into quieter, sometimes it's acceptable. We can change into quieter. All right. Now, so let's count your points. How many points do you have in this activity? If you have 5 to 6, you are excellent. 3 to 4, you have good job. But if you have uh, no correct answer to 2 correct answers, you have to keep trying. All right. Now let's move to the activity number 2. Read the sentences, choose correct answer, write to your notebook. If you finish early, make more sentences using comparative adjectives. Okay, so let's read and choose the correct answer. Okay, let's check. Number 1, a snake is longer than a monkey. Number 2, a mouse is a small or smaller animal. Yes, a small, because no, we don't have any other animal to compare with mouse, so we use more, not smaller. Number 3 is lower, that is lower than a crocodile. 4, younger than my cousin. 5, my brother uh, is what? Bigger? Yes, bigger and older than me. And number 6, my bike is new and fast. Okay? Yes, well done. Now, so how was your activity? Is it hard? Do you need more help? Or you can do this well? Now let's move to a game. Let's play a game with comparative adjectives. Let's ring the golden bell. Let's read the question. Choose the correct answer. 20 seconds for a question. If you have one correct answer, you have 1 star. If you can add one more sentence to your answer, you have 2 stars. Okay? Now, one example for you. Question number 0. So the answer here must be
I wish you the best of luck.
A. All right.
20 seconds on the clock.
Now, question number 1. Choose the correct answer. I give you 20 seconds for this.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Okay, so the answer here is C. The crocodile is more dangerous than the dog. Okay, question number 2.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
All right, the answer here is bigger. Okay, number 3.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Okay, it's A. This test is more difficult than that test. Now, question number 4.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock? It's on the clock, please. Now.
Is B. Aurora is more beautiful than the witch. Question number 5.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
C. The Earth is smaller than the Sun. Question number 6.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Is A. His house is smaller than my house. Question number 7.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Playing game is more interesting than watching movie. Okay, so let's count your points. How many points do you have? You have 6 to 7. You are excellent. 4 to 5, you're good job. And 0 to 3, you have to keep trying. All right, now the last activity today for you is the speaking. Okay, so look at the picture and describe the picture. Let's answer 3 questions below. How many animals, what animals can you see and compare them? For example, an elephant is bigger than a monkey. Okay, you have 4 minutes to describe the picture. If you finish early, make sentences about other animals. Right? 4 minutes, and then you will describe the picture. All right. So what do we learn today? What do we learn today? Now, and you can answer the questions below. What have you learned today? Is the comparative adjectives, right? With short and long adjectives. What do you like most about the lesson? Is that animals? Or is that the comparative adjectives? Or is that the ring the golden bell game? Yeah. And do you have any questions? Okay. So that's it. That's all about the lesson today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye and see you next time.